The hypothermia deaths of a Pontiac mother and her two young sons have raised all kinds of questions about what could have been done ahead of time to save those lives. All complicated by the fact that Monica Kennedy was in a mental health crisis. Police and had several contacts with her in the days just before the tragedy. But what can loved ones do to help before it gets to that point? Sean Lay has been looking for answers on that. He joins us now live. Sean?
No easy answers at all, Devin. Look, we're asked those questions today. The answers are call 911, take your loved one to an emergency room, or hold a family intervention. That's where we are on this right now. But what about going to court? We asked retired Judge Vonda Evans and clinical psychologist Dr. Rose Moten for those answers. What can a family member do legally? Can they step in? What can they do within the court system?
When they begin to see things like that, they have to be able to, you try to call the police, but the police are like this. If we don't see that that person is a danger to themselves or others, we can't voluntarily take them into custody.
Can a family member go to the courts looking for help for their loved one?
You can try to petition the court, but here's the problem. That judicial official or the police, has to determine that that person is a threat to themselves or others. And many times, maybe the episode may have gone over and they can't find it. It's very challenging, from what I've been told by members who practice in probate, to have a person involuntary committed.
You've been the point person for your family for this.
I've been the point person, family. I've been the point person for patients.
What did you do though for your family? What did you do at that moment?
You have to call 911.
911, emergency room. Can you go to the courts?
It's a process. It's a process with the court. So it's not that you can just walk into the courts. Usually you have to start a paper trail. Your only job as a family member is to get your loved one to a facility where they will be safe and they will be cared for.
Back here live. So here we are in January of 2023, and we asked the question. The first answer, Devin, is call 911. That's where we are right now. Back to you.
So right. It's such a complex problem. All right, Sean.